eggs in Thai?
Khai Ping.
Khai Ping.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. The eggs are called Khai Ping. If you ever come across them, give them a try.
สวัสดีค่ะ
อันนี้อะไร
ซุปหางซุปนัว Yes everyday
Okay, that's amazing.
น่ากิน
Oh, nice. So I'm right here at one beautiful mall called Central Mall right here in Bang Na. And I've come across this amazing Thai treat. These are grilled eggs. This shop has appeared on TV stations. Something I've been seeing online. And wow, these are actually half grilled, half ready eggs. Just like you would try meat that is rare cooked, rare steak. This is like the egg version of it. So the cookie seats right here, I actually have to wait for someone to get up so I can take up one. Sit here. So this is the menu right here. Okay, we have one that is almost not ready, still liquidy inside. Then we have that is almost boiled, like fully boiled. As you order, you can add any of these sauces. We have soy sauce and a few other sauces here. I'm not sure which these are. Sao สวัสดีครับสองครับสองครับครับขอบคุณครับ So this is what it looks like. I've not tried anything like this before. ครับผม So I guess each egg is actually 20 baht. That's what it looks like. Amazing, right? Actually it tastes good. So I'm going to be adding this sauce right here. This is really interesting. So you can either pay with cash or scan with a Thai QR code. And each egg is about 20 baht. Wow. Interestingly delicious. I never imagined myself eating a almost raw egg. So they prepare them on this low heat char. One white pepper. fully grilled.
ไข่เยี่ยวม้า2
Chef has actually appeared on TV stations. Right behind there, I can see one HD31, GMM 25, Walk Point, and the others I can't really tell.
สั่งได้เลยหรือเขียนไว้หรือยังไงอะ
ได้เลยครับ
Sawadee krab. Hok, hok, hok. Song.
อันนี้ประตู2
So it's actually tapping on the eggs to so you can tell which one is
นี่
which.
มันมีซอสอันนี้ด้วยนะนี่อะไรบ้างซอสเปรี้ยวพริกโชว์พริกโชว์
เยี่ยวม้า2เลยนะไอ้
Sawadee krab. Ani ada ya?
อันนี้คือเขาเรียกว่าจิ๊กโชว์เป็นซอสเปรี้ยว
Picture.
เปรี้ยวใช่เปรี้ยว
Ani.
อันนี้เป็นแม็กกี้เป็นซอส
Oh, Nike, Nike. So this one is actually a very popular one. This is a Maggi. I think many of you could be knowing this. It could be one of those that are in your kitchen. So you also have the black thing over there. I don't know if those are the ones that are called the century eggs. Interesting stuff. Kapun kap. Kapun kap. But also another egg. This one is level 6.
You should try
Which one? Number 1?
Yes.
I've tried number 1 and it has the unique taste. My first time to eat this kind of egg.
okay.
Yeah. Now I'm trying number 6. Yeah. Thank you. I added this is Maggi. Oh, and pepper. Which one is your favorite? Both of them. How about this?
I love this one.
Oh, I see.
This one's
I see,
quite
I see.
dry.
I tried this one. Now I'm trying this.
This is just a normal egg.
It's a dry. Or normal like egg.
เฮ้ยดีดูเด็กๆไหมคะ
Now this How do you call these eggs in Thai?
Khai Ping.
Khai Ping.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much. The eggs are called Khai Ping. If you ever come across them, give them a try. I think it's a seasonal market. Sweet, 80 baht. You have lots of fresh drinks. The cup. Have the ready made. Green tea. Fried chicken. We've got lots of things that come and start out here. Freshly made drinks, fresh cooked noodles. Over here we have some jackfruit, one of my favorite fruits. Over here we have what we call mango sticky rice. Sawadee krab. อันนี้เท่าไหร่ครับ60 baht 60 baht. Oh, this looks amazing. What is this? สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีค่ะ
อันนี้อะไร
ซุปหางซุปมัว
ซุ้มม่วง
beef
beef
and oxtail
oh how much
115
oh, it looks very I will try this
you want
yeah yes
okay spicy
no not spicy
no spicy YouTuber
it looks very nice
นี่ไม่กงสวัสดีสะโพกค่ะน้องเป็นคนดี
putting in all the ingredients the oxtail then we're gonna add in some soup
คุยเอา
oh look at that here we have some
ไม่กินเนี่ย
ขอบคุณครับ
thank you so much
Thank you too, thank you. You want halal food? There's also halal food right here. And over here we have oxtail and beef. Right here they are preparing some of the ingredients. So,
ซุปเนื้อซุปหางไหมคะอร่อย
alright, ma.
yes
Oh,
yummy
yummy.
good
Look at these guys.
ข้าวหมกไก่ทอดหนังไก่กรอบซุปเนื้อซุปหางเลยค่ะ
You're here every day?
yes every day
Okay, that's amazing.
น่ากิน
Oh, nice, nice. ขอบคุณครับ
มีเนื้อ
Oh, you have enjoyed this episode. I'll be seeing you in my next one. Stay blessed. Cheers for this big guy.